Now, the interesting thing on Microsoft Dynamics is that most people just think about an ERP. I see in a much, much broader way. Lotus F1, you can divide IT-wise the company in two worlds, what we call the factory and the performance systems. So the performance systems are these systems which the engineers are using on the racetrack, or the systems we are using for a driving simulator. With Microsoft Dynamics, we're going to redesign that performance side, and it will have one integrated system and no anymore the separation between the factory and the performance.
The Dynamics implementation is huge for us. It's going to change all of our business processes. It's going to mean the reporting and metrics that we have to work so hard to get today are going to come to us much easier. It's going to improve our efficiency. When that comes in, it's the end of the engine freeze regulation, so everybody's allowed to redevelop engines for performance, and we need to be on the top of our game in the next year or so to ensure that we're at the top come the beginning of 2014. We're not just innovating technically, we're innovating from a process perspective as well, and the Dynamics implementation is a huge innovation in itself.
I think it was very, very clear that the business needed a complete new ERP solution. There was obviously a number of solutions out there on the market, but I think internally the studies we carried out in IT, it was very, very clear that the Microsoft technology stack was the most relevant for us, and it was me who made that first step, the first stage in calling into Christian and his team. And you know, from then on, within 40 days, we'd actually come together, put a deal together, and managed to introduce Microsoft Dynamics to the world of Formula One.